In asset management, field technicians need quick access to procedures and manuals to repair equipment safely and effectively. But when these standard operating procedures are buried in PDFs and documents spread across systems, it slows down work and increases the risk of safety and compliance. Meet Unvired AI Maintenance Genie Agent, your SAP-certified AI maintenance assistant that makes searching maintenance procedures as easy as asking a question. Built on SAP Business Technology Platform, it seamlessly integrates with SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA and works across iOS, Android, Windows, and web browsers. Genie is available for use both on mobile devices as well as a Fiori web app. Let's see how Genie assists technicians with precise answer to their queries. Genie leverages retrieval augmented generation powered by SAP HANA Vector Engine to assist technicians find the answers to maintenance procedure questions by extracting data from asset manuals and procedures. Need to fix a pump valve? Just ask Genie. It delivers precise, actionable steps in seconds, ensuring your team gets the job done right every time. With Genie, technicians have faster access to knowledge, reduced errors, increased safety, and compliance. Want to see Genie in action? Schedule a live demo today.